Hello everyone. Today, I will introduce a tool designed specifically for unlocking padlocks. This tool is the SS003 model produced by Locksmith Pro. It comes in two types: the left slot tool and the right slot tool. Next, I will briefly explain how to differentiate between the two. For example, the tool in my hand right now is a left slot tool. The one on the right is a right slot tool. This is how to identify the tools. Now, how do we determine the slot type on a padlock? Here, I have a key. Place the key horizontally. If the slot is on the right side, it's a right slot lock. If the slot is on the left, it's a left slot lock. Let us compare them. Both slots are on one side, as you can see. This is how to differentiate them. Next, let us discuss another point. Padlocks come in different sizes. There are large padlocks, medium padlocks, and small padlocks. This tool is suitable for medium and large padlocks. If you encounter a small padlock, the tool won't fit, and thus cannot open it. As long as the tool fits into the lock core, it can work. This is particularly effective for flat key padlocks. Now, let me demonstrate the operation for you. Here, I am using a right slot tool. After locking the padlock, insert the tool, secure the tension tool in place, adjust its position, and gently pull the lever outward. Apply slight pressure, but not too much. Next, locate the stiff pin within the lock. For instance, the sixth pin here feels stiff. Lightly press it. Make sure not to apply too much tension, as it may overshoot the correct position. Let us check the result. The lock has successfully opened. The entire operation follows the same principle as traditional tools. So, that is all for today's introduction to this tool. I hope it is helpful for you.